order? Adders, right? Coordinates are adders? Right. So half order? Half order performs the addition of two binary numbers and produces sum and carry. Right. So what's full adder? Full right. So full adder performs the addition of two binary numbers as well as carry. Right. And produces two binary outputs in the form of right. Then we discussed about the operation of the half adder and full adder in the form of two tables, right? Then what's next? Get on the simplification by using gamma. Then we divide the expression for sum as well as carry for half adder as well as full adder, right? So what's the expression for sum for half adder? A. What expression for sum in half adder? Then for carry, A. Then we have drawn the logic diagram for the half adder, right? Then similarly for full adder, what's the expression for sum? Right. C XOR C XOR A XOR B. Right. What's the carry? A plus B plus BC. Right. Then what's the next step? Logic diagram. So for full adder, we need a three input OR gate for sum. Right, XOR gate. Right. So what's the design procedure for combination circuits from? What's the design procedure for combination circuits? How do you design a combination circuit? Right. First the operation will be explained in the form of table. Then we will do the simplification in the form of gamma. Then writing the loss simplified using expression loss or gamma. Right. Then what's the last step? We are drawing the logic diagram for the combination circuit. So for sum, we have used full input XOR gate. I have completed that diagram. Boy side. Have completed that diagram. Right. Then for carry, we use the three AND gate as well as one XOR gate. Up to any doubts? Right. So next we are going to see about the implementation of full adder by using two half adders. By using two half adders or by connecting two half adders in cascade form, we can achieve a full adder. Right? So by connecting two half adders in cascade form, we can achieve a full adder. So listen. This is one of the methods for the designing the full adder. Right? Using this also you can design a full adder. Another one method. You already know the sum and carry for boy side. So you already know the sum and carry for half adder, right? So using two half adders, you can also design a full adder, right? So now you are going to see about the implementation of full adder using two half adders. So have you completed the diagram? Everyone? No. Now complete பண்ணுங்க right chance. 24. Those are not completed the implementation of full adder in half adder diagram, just raise your hands. AB. So for A XOR B, you need a XOR gate, and for AB, you need a for CAN, you need a AND gate. So draw a XOR gate as well as NAND gate. Cascade form, draw another one XOR gate as well as AND gate. Draw it. So here there is the two half adder cascade form, right? This is the first half adder, this is the second half adder. So for first half adder, what is the sum output? A or XOR? A XOR B, right? So what will be out of this? A XOR B. What will be out of this? AND gate? A, right? One half adder, first half adder. The output of this half adder will be given as an input to the next half adder, right? So what is the output? The output is to get sum and carry for the sum and carry for output enna kadikkum namakku sum and carry for edoda sum and carry namakku kadikkum full adder, right? So final output you have to take a sum and carry for the full adder, right? So after the set outs, so the output of the first half adder will be given as an input to the second half adder, right? What is the expression for sum? For full adder, A XOR B XOR C. So at this you are getting A XOR B, right? So you need to add one more input, that is C. Up to the set outs. So for sum you have to get A XOR B XOR C, right? So output of the first half adder will be A XOR B. You need one more input, that is C. So when you are giving the output that is A XOR B and another one output C XOR A, what is the output? XOR operation right? That's the two inputs, right? So one input another output A XOR B, another input will be C. So what is the output sum? A XOR B XOR C, right? Then what's the carry output? C output. What's the carry A XOR B into C, right? So this will be the carry output for the full adder. So either input or the log gate. A XOR B Cn and one more A. Then output error will be what the output for carry is here? A XOR C Cn then plus AB, right? So this is the implementation of full adder into half adder, right? Then listen, for some you have used the loss. I have one very expression sum ஒரு very expression இருந்துச்சு loss apply பண்ணிட்டது XOR gate apply பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணுவோம். For sum you have to write as C in XOR A XOR B, right? So similarly we are going to do for carry also. Write it down. C out is equal to C out. See, those are not coming in this diagram, copy it down. Coming there. Girls are coming there. Boys side. Doing fast. So others listen. For some we have obtained a big expression, right? So we have reduced it to simplest form using the XOR. What is it? A bar B bar plus A bar make A B is nothing but A XOR B the whole bar. Formula apply பண்ணி very expression simple form the very form. So same thing we are going to do for the carry also. Coming fast. This is again half adder. The boy side, enough. Now we are going to see about the simplification for carry. Let us see out. So what is see out? What is expression for see out? AB simplification by using some Boolean loss. So what is first step? Last first step, discussed about the first step. First step. We have added A plus A bar in the third term, right? What is A plus A bar? 1. So we have added an additional term along with the third term. Does the value change? No. So first step, just add AB plus AC in plus BC in into A plus A bar. Right? What is A plus A bar? 1. Last bench, வெளியில போயிருக்கோம். So we have added A plus A bar along with the original terms, right? This is an additional term. By adding the additional term, the original term will not change. வேற வேல்யூ போயிட்டோம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா நீ அடிஷன் ஆட் பண்றனா அது ஒரிஜினல் டேர்ம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும் ஒரிஜினல் நேச்சர் சேஞ்ச் ஆகாம ஆட் பண்ணணும் சோ ஒரிஜினல் டேர்ம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுதா இல்ல ரைட் then what next step cross multiply the a inside what the next answer ab plus acn plus a bcn plus a bar bcn up to the any doubts
No, ma'am.
so we have added an additional term then we added an additional term then we have cross multiplied the terms inside next what is next step what's the next step what's the next step look at the first term and the term what's common ab so ab into reminders 1 plus cn so the ரெண்டு terms common terms வெளிய எடுத்துட்டு remaining terms எழுதிருக்கோம் so இப்படி common வெளிய எடுத்த term உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பார்த்தா previous term மட்டும் அப்படியே வருது so ab plus ab cn right what are the right terms acn plus a bar bcn right what is 1 plus cn see you have one of the law or rule or theorem or constraints 1 plus a will be 1 so 1 plus a or 1 plus b or 1 plus c or 1 plus cn will be 1 according to the Boolean laws right so what is the next step ab plus acn so up to the set outs so put your pens down listen either after time கொடுக்கலாம் பார்ட் போறேன் then what's the next step so here you are going to add this is simplify all right so in the second term you are going to add b plus b bar read by yourself so same as the of this you are going to add b plus b bar in the second term so what is the answer ab plus acn into acn into b plus b bar then a bar bcn listen what's the next step listen what's the next step multiply the terms inside so you get ab plus ab cn plus ab bar cn plus
A bar B.
a bar b cn right so what's the next step what's the next step Bob?
A B A bar.
You take the common terms, right?
A B
So AB into
C
1 plus
C
C. Then it's common both the terms. C into
A B bar
AB bar plus
A bar D.
A bar. Right? So in your second term, add B plus B bar, multiply it inside, simplify it, take the common terms outside, we get AB into 1 plus CN plus C into AB bar plus A bar, right? What is 1 plus CN? 1. So AB into 1 plus so the form CN so the form A B bar plus A bar means A XOR B. So A XOR B. So the expression for C of X cat will be AB plus B into A XOR B. Up to say it out.
இப்போ சி பண்ணும்
எல்லாத்தையும் மிஸ்ஸிங் நேம் ஒரே இடத்துல எடுத்துடலாம் தனித்தனியாக ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எல்லாத்தையும் மிஸ்ஸிங் நேம் எல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நேம் மிஸ்ஸிங் அப்படியே டேட்டா ஆனா அது மாதிரி பண்ணலாம் ப்ராப்ளம் பண்ணலாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதுலலாம் பண்ணலாம்
Listen. Starting right. Starting step by step follow பண்ணுங்க. Once அந்த last step தரவான அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுங்க? Second step by answer பண்ணுங்க follow right. So I'm going to say it out. So this is the expression for carry for full adder. Next, we are going to see about the subtractor. The heading, so coming there, finishing fast. Enough listen. So next combination circuit we are going to see is the subtractor. So we have seen about the adder, right? So what's the operation of adder? Addition operation, right? Right. It will be add performs the addition operation, right? Then what is subtractor? What is subtraction? Right. The circuit that performs the subtraction operation is called as the subtractor. So here also we have two types. What are those? Half subtractor and full subtractor. Write it down. Half subtractor and half subtractor and full subtractor. So for addition, we will having sum as well as carry. Then what about subtraction? Listen, we are adding two numbers or three inputs. We are having two outputs in the form of sum as well as carry. This is for addition, that is adders, right? What about subtraction for?
remaining value
Adder we have a carry, right? What about subtraction? What is subtraction? For adders, go to the correct
do this by one borrow
யாரா borrow சொல்லுங்க. Listen, for addition we having the output in the form of sum as well as carry, right? What about subtraction? Listen, we are having the output in the form of borrow and difference. திரும்ப நீங்க மேத்ஸ் படிக்கணும்.
my 6th படிச்சிருக்கோம்
Listen. ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணினா உங்களுக்கு என்னடா கிடைக்கும்? சம். Listen. We are adding the two numbers. The result will be the sum of two numbers. We are subtracting two numbers. The result will be the difference of the two numbers. That's why we are having difference. And in addition, we are having a carry with that will be added to the next circuit. But in subtraction, what we will be having a borrow, right? So what is it by now? Define the definition for half subtractor and full subtractor. Anyone? Get up. Anyone? Get up and tell me the answer. Enough. Others, keep quiet. Anyone get up and tell me the definition for half subtractor.
well as borrower.
The half subtractor performs subtraction on two binary inputs and produces two binary outputs in the form of borrow as well as difference, right? So this is the block diagram for the half subtractor. So this one you are having two inputs, whether it is the xy or a and b. Okay? Name it as xy or a and b, right? Then what will the output of the half subtractor?
Borrow and difference.
Subtractor two binary inputs and produces two binary outputs in the form of
Borrow and
borrow as well as difference. Three is nothing but difference. Write it down. And BR is nothing but borrow. So this is the block diagram for half subtractor. Sorry, half subtractor.
half subtractor.
Then what's next step?
Truth table.
Truth table. So we are going to see the operation of the half subtractor in the form of truth table. So before that, this side and the left side write it down. So we are seeing some addition operation, right? So now we are going to see some subtraction operation. This time what 0 minus 0? 0. This time what 0 minus 0? 0. What's 1 minus 0? 1 minus 0? 1. What's 1 minus 1? 0. What's 0 minus 1? 1. 0 minus 1? What's 0 minus 1? 1. What's 0 minus 1? 1. With borrow 1. Right? So 1 with borrow 1. Write it down. Subtraction operation is that right now we are going to see the operation of half subtractor in the form of the truth table. So how many inputs are here?
2 inputs.
2 inputs. So
PQ.
boys side enough. So the heading as truth table.
Table.
Truth table. Girl side. So do it by yourself. What are the inputs? A, B or X and Y. Then consider it as A, B. What is the output? Borrow and difference. So how many inputs are here? 2 inputs. What is the combination? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Do it by yourself. You know the subtraction operation. Do it by yourself. Is that okay with all? Half subtractor. So let the inputs be A and B. A and B. What are outputs? Borrow as well as difference. Borrow as well as difference, right? Then, what are the possible combinations for 2 inputs? You have like 2 inputs, right? What are possible combinations? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then, listen. Subtract 2 numbers. What is 0 minus 0? 0. So the difference will be
0.
So if there is any borrow,
1.
then what about 0 minus 1?
1.
1 then
Borrow.
See, there is a logic behind this. I'll explain later. You are going to confuse. Keep that in mind. What's
One.
1 with borrow? 1. So we are having 1. 1. What's 1 minus 0? 1. Is there any borrow?
No.
See this side. We are having 0 as well as 1. Minus from 0. We are very much issue with subtraction. Whatever the borrow பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்ணோம் subtract பண்ணோம் same thing பக்கத்துல borrow பண்றீங்க so we are having 1 then subtract பண்ணும்போது என்ன வரும் 1 வரும் right that is 1 then what 1 minus 0 what 1 minus 0 1 with difference borrow 0 what 1 minus 1
Zero.
0 is there any borrow got this answer third bench completed clear listen புரிஞ்சா புரியல ரைட் ஹேண்ட் யாரா புரியலையா for this case we get in mind 0 minus 1 is 0 to 1 minus 1 remainder clear right then what will be doing borrowing one number from the next bench that's why 0 minus 1 is difference 1 is borrow 1 right then what is next step
Came.
third bench last girls what is the next step came so we have to do the came for borrow as well as difference so do the came for borrow and tell me the answer the came for difference and tell me the answer do the grouping properly Listen. So now you are going to do the game of what? Borrow as well as difference, right? So first we do the game of what? Borrow. So how many variables are here? Two variables. So that is the two variables came up.
A and B.
Two variables came up with forces. This is the two variables came up with forces. So what are variables? A, right? So what possible combination? 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is for borrow, right? So on the top of this, mention it as came up for borrow. Right? So the set for borrow, for 0, 1, the output will be 1. For 0, 1, the output will be 1. For remaining, 0. Is there any possibility for 4 ones? Then pair is possible? No. Then what is possibility? Equal the grouping. What is the expression for this? A bar B. This is the expression for borrow. That is borrow. Can also be written as BR is equal to A bar B. Right? Up to say it out. Put your pens down. Listen the board. Later you can copy it down. Listen. Then
Difference.
we are coming to the came up for borrow. So same we are going to proceed for difference. So came up for. So how many variables is there? Two variables came up with forces, right? Same name.
0, 1, 0.
For AB 0, 1, 0, 1. This is for difference. For 0, 1 the output will be
1.
1. For 0, 1 the output will be 1.
1, 0, 1.
For 1, 0 the output will be 1. Right? Is there any possibility for quad or object anything? No. So we have to group it? Individual. So what is the expression for this? A, B bar. What is the expression for this? A bar B. Right. This is for same as for difference. So D is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. Listen. So we are seeing about the subtraction, not subtraction. You have to do the subtraction operation here only. And last answer should be always in the form of SOP. SOP. Sum of product. இங்க மைனஸ் போடக்கூடாது. Subtract பண்ணும்போது final answer minus போடக்கூடாது. Final answer always be in the form of SOP, that is sum of products. Then this of the form, what is A B bar plus A bar B? A
XOR B.
So difference will be A XOR B. So we have applied the schema for borrow as well as difference, right? Listen. Listen. What is the sum for a half adder? A XOR B. What is the carry for half adder?
A bar.
The carry for half adder A B. What sum for half subtractor? A XOR B. What the borrow for half subtractor? A bar. Is there a difference? What's the difference?
A bar. A bar. A bar.
Same diagram. In addition to that, we add a not gate, right? For the last step, we are going to design the last bench. For the last step, we are going to design the half subtractor using logic gates. We have seen about the half subtractor. We are going to design the half subtractor using logic gates. So draw the logic diagram for the logic diagram for the half subtractor. See, for A XOR B, we use a XOR gate. Then for this, we have to use an AND gate as well as NOT gate. So try to finish it. Listen the book. Boys, listen the book. Listen. What the expression for difference for? XOR B. How many inputs are there?
Two inputs.
So we need a two input indicate value.
XOR gate.
So XOR gate, two input XOR gate, right? So what is the output for? Difference. What is the output? A XOR B, right? Up to set it out. So the input should be A and B. Then what's the expression for borrow? A bar B. So for A B you can use the AND gate. You are having a bar. So you can connect the NOT gate, right? Then
Indicate.
you can use the AND gate. See, this is the connector. NOT gate in the input A. What is the output of this? A bar. What is the output of this? B. So when A bar and B is given as an input to the AND gate, what will be the output?
A bar.
So borrow. So it will be A bar B. Right? So this is the logic diagram for half subtractor. So if you refer the linear space, you can compare the logic diagram for half adder. What is the difference?
Not
We are having an addition not gate, that's the difference, right? So finish it. You can draw this AND gate on top also, but mention the output property. So in the gate difference or in the gate of the borrow or the expression. So mention it properly, right? Then finish it fast.